In this video, I'll show you photos, videos on appliances that people are having problems with. And at the end of the video, I will read the comments from technicians and DIYers on what you can do to possibly repair the appliance. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment on these videos. Okay, here's the post. Just put a lighter to the igniter. Does not seem to get propane to the igniter. I just bought this from a guy on Marketplace. Said it had no issues when he took it out. We changed all the orifices from the natural gas to propane. Will not get up to temp. Have tried to preheat several times. After 2 hours of trying to preheat at 250, I finally shut it off, but I'm hoping it's something that we can fix. One of the commenters mentioned about the independent regulator on a tank, and he's quite correct. You have to also change the orifice on the regulator on the back of the stove, which is often overlooked. Usually that comes when it's brand new with the orifice to do it. If you did not get one with it, then you can obtain one from mid-back. Also, another issue can be, as one commenter put, the igniter. However, if it's the oven you were trying to preheat, there's not an igniter per se, as there is a red hot glowing element. One of the things you can do to check that is open the door on the bottom below the oven door, set it, and then see if you see a red hot glowing element inside it. Not then the stove will not light, and then could be a problem with the thermocoupler. Just tried to preheat it again, put a lighter up to the igniter, and it doesn't even seem to be getting propane to there at all. Terry says you might have the wrong regulator or may need to convert it to LP. You sometimes can do it yourself. I've done it a few times in my pitiful life. Laugh out loud. Matt says it's the little switch on the regulator. You can accidentally flip the oven off. Danny says I have the same unit that was converted to propane. If I tell it 350, it will go get 300 and tell me it's good. Had a bunch of things changed under warranty. Still have the same issue. Martin says, look online how to change the regulator pressure. NG is 3.5 water column, but propane is 13. There is also gas valve on the back of the stove by the regulator. Adam says regulator needs adjusted to propane. Darren says you are not going to light it with the lighter, regardless whether it is glowing or not. It needs to create the proper resistance to open the gas valve. James Brother Smith says, if the temp is the issue, check the temp sensor. Mike said, adjust regulator and air/fuel mixtures. Joseph, it's probably the igniter. I would change that first. David, we removed check valve behind stove. It was piped backwards. Phil, even if the igniter glows, there may not be enough amperage draw if the igniter is weak. The gas valve opens with amperage draw from the igniter. Tim, if igniter not sending signal, it won't send gas. Thomas, until the igniter is hot, the propane valve won't open and call for propane. Is the igniter bad? Dale, change the hot surface igniter. If the current is not right through it, the gas valve won't open to let gas through. Larry, if the top burners work, replace the oven igniter. David, electric igniter. Mark, most of the modern appliances use what's called a generic Magic Chef Glow Bar igniter. When they get old, they become very erratic and sometimes either don't get hot enough to ignite the gas, which causes the valve to turn off, or they simply don't get hot enough and it doesn't come on. On other models, the igniter stays on continuously and glows. If the glow fades or dissipates, it will shut the gas off to the valve. John, sorry, in some conditions like cold weather, propane does not work as well as natural gas. Phil, there's a bolt head on the top of the regulator with a plastic pin under it and has to be flipped. Make sure you didn't accidentally flip the little metal switch on the regulator, which stops the gas to the oven. You will also have to open the air shutter on the burner for LP. Raymond, oven sensor is not heating up enough to open the gas valve for the oven. Replace the oven sensor. Jim, call your propane provider. Let them send out their tech. Always stay safe. Grant, some of the new regulators you turn over the internal. Always use a specific sheet for each unit. Careful. And get it looked at by a professional ASAP. Mark, does the oven ever come on with the full burner under the oven igniting? Mark, how cold is it at your location? Jim, if igniter turns red, it's good. Joseph, did you convert your gas regulator also? Peter, check the red tab on the regulator. Wayne, always test run anything before you buy. If they are willing, walk away. If they're not willing, walk away. Mike, a lighter will not change anything. The igniter needs to reach a certain amperage to open the valve. As the igniter gets older and has less amperage and does not open, the valve, I think, needs a new igniter from the information I have. Jason, are the burners working correctly? Lloyd, the regulator on natural gas stove is 3 inches. The regulator for propane, 11 inches, or change the orifices. You also have to change the regulator. That's your issue. Richard, the igniter's pooched. LP, Tom, LP conversion consists of a lot more than jets. Mainly competent conversion text and labels is properly too. Matthew, sounds like the shutoff lever on the regulator is off. Small lever on regulator. Jeffrey, change the regulator to the stove. Patrick, replaced igniter. It's a fragile, delicate piece. It probably didn't like being bumped around during transport. This is the reason you never slam the door to the oven when installing. You need to handle that thing as careful as possible. Do not order that part online and have it mailed to you. Buy it directly from the Appliance parts house. Open the box in front of the salesman, and both of you need to inspect it. The salesman should also give you the fragile, delicate speech. If you drop it on the way home from the Appliance parts house, just turn around and go back and buy another one. Pretend like you are defusing a bomb when you're installing that part. You just look at it wrong and it'll break. It doesn't matter if the old one glows and looks like it's working. It's not working good enough to open the gas valve. They say sometimes it lasts 20 years, sometimes not even that. Never slam the door to the oven and never use the self-clean mode. Fred, check the glow coil that it has high resistance. Clark, a lighter to the igniter will not work. It's electronic. Amazon has good prices. If the burners is probably the problem. Easy job. Jason, did you convert the regulator? Brandon, change the igniter. Jason, did you convert the oven orifice or orifices and the regulator? Matt, glow igniter. If the conversion from NG to LP, you would have a fireball, not a cold oven. But definitely make sure you did the conversion correctly before you go any further. Norm, number 1, does the stove top ignite? 2, did you actually place LP orifices? 3, did you place the correct orifices on the bake and broiler and each burner? 4, did you tighten the orifices all the way down on the coupler? 5, did you open the flutes all the way open on both the broiler and the bake exchange? 6. Did you flip the stem under the cap on the regulator to LP? 7. Are the flutes mounted correctly over the orifices? There should be a pin that lines up with the holes on the oven wall. Dale, igniter. If it doesn't get to a high enough amperage, the valve will not open and allow it to ignite. Igniters should be very bright if amperage is high enough to allow gas regulators to open. David, the safety switch on the regulator is probably tripped. Look on the regulator. There should be a spring-loaded switch that takes the gas away from the bake and the broil. Mark, unplug the stove, find the wires to the igniter glow bar. They should pull apart where they are plugged together. Test the resistance with an ohm meter. It should be 40 to 90 ohms. Go to YouTube for videos for testing replacement. Michael, make sure you didn't accidentally hit the shutoff. That's on the regulator because it's spring loaded and it pops off easy while you're changing your orifice or adjusting, but most likely you need the oven igniter. Propane has a higher pressure, which needs a little bit more amp draw from the igniter or to open the valve. Matt, sounds like the igniter failed. Joshua, check the flame indicator or the safety valve. Kevin, find out what gas pressure it should be to adjust accordingly. Jody, if oven is getting hot, it can't get the igniter. Ernest, there are adjustments that need to happen when changing from gas to propane. Check your YouTube videos. Sound like flame is not adjusted right and therefore not getting hot enough. Daryl, LP conversions require more than just swapping the orifices. The proper kit required to convert that specific model will come with instructions. If you didn't receive the instructions, then you bought the wrong kit. Mike, reading some of these comments scares the hell out of me. And a lot of the guessing have no clue. Everyone back away from the keyboard and definitely never torch a tool. Okay, that's the end of the comments. For you techs and DIYers, if you'd like to chime in on this video, you're welcome to ask questions as well as if you have answers to this problem. Please comment. Remember to like, comment, and give a thumbs up. Have a good one.